Hey people, so we are at Pasta Bay, and actually that's what they have, even burgers. And Ayush, we've ordered a sweet potato and mushrooms, and then also a veg overload. We should have ordered a paneer crunch, but the best part was it was a buy one get one free. So these really nice. Okay, yes. So there is something about burgers that is just magical, I think. So yeah. So how does it taste, Chico?
This is actually 8.
Really? So any idea which is which? Did that have mushrooms? Which one has mushrooms? Any idea?
I'm pretty sure this one has.
Veg overload. Which one looks like it has more vegetables? Okay, so take a bite of that.
I like this one.
Oh, so the veg overload is what my child likes. So truly, people, this place is called it's a culmination of three different places, really. It's Pasta Bay and Belgian waffle, and you get burgers also. So yeah, this is nice. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. This place is right near Sindhi Colony in Sikandrabad.